Welcome to your own channel. Today is our fourth lecture about the full course of AutoCAD. So today our lecture will be about on the hatches command. So today we will talk about the hatches. So actually the hatches command is in AutoCAD. It is used to fill the pattern inside an enclosed area. The pattern are hatches, gradients, solid fill, etc. For example, consider any plan. In this plan here in this room, I want to show the concrete. That in this area we will do concrete. So how can I show it? Simply select the hatches icon from the ribbon panel, then press the enter, pick the internal point of the object where you want to create a hatch. Now just see here are different hatches, but we are searching here for gravel. So here it is, click on it, now add the object and enter. Now go to preview and okay, so the hatch will be created. You can modify the lines and you can increase or decrease the scale of the hatches. Now I will do another example. For example, this is the wall and I want to create a bricks hatch on this wall. So go to the hatch command. You can also use the shortcut command for the hatches, which is H enter. Now find the brick symbol or from here. So here it is, click on it. Now then add the pick point or object and enter, then go to the preview and okay, so the hatch will be created. You can use multiple hatches from here. So now see here the bricks are already created. You can choose the multiple hatches from the symbol over here. Here are multiple symbols, so according to your requirement you can pick it from here. Okay, if we see here is another thing. Now what is the use of it? It is gradients. So now what is the use of it? Consider any 3D or 2D object. For example, here I consider a 3D plan like this. So this is our plan. In this wall here I want to create a glass for this windows. So just select the gradients icon from the drop down list of the hatches. Now change its color design according to your requirement. For example, I am choosing here that color and that design. Now click on okay, or click on the add the select object. If you can see here is just add the select object. So just click on it and enter this and then preview it and okay, so it will be created. Now see here our glass is already created. Just like is the same process for the middle portion and also for the side portion, and you can change its color according to your requirement. Now adjust your hatches and it's will be done. So you can use the hatch command for many purposes. So that's it for today's lecture, and if you are new to my channel, so just go and watch the previous videos, the part 1, 2 and 3 of the full course of AutoCAD. So that's it. If you are new to my channel, so do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.